So these following expressions, although usually suggested, don't really work because to mock or to tease is too playful and often friendly. Then to insult is too direct and tana is rather indirect. And finally, to taunt comes close but doesn't carry that same emotional impact. So I have some nice and handy native expressions for you right here which hit the nail on the head. And they include to take a shot or take a dig at someone, which are the most used super casual options. Then you have make a snide remark, that's your formal or corporate style. And then you have something more slangy and new age, which is to throw shade at someone. Let's get to 12 sentences, 3 for each of these, all jumbled up. The first one, जोक के बहाने उसने मेरी सैलरी का ताना मार दिया जैसे बस मजाक ही हो. He took a dig at my salary under the guise of a joke, like it was all harmless fun. Second, बिना ज़्यादा बोले बस चलते फिरते उसने मेरे लाइफस्टाइल पर ही ताना मार दिया. Without saying much, he threw shade at my lifestyle with just one passing line. Third one, सुनने में compliment लग रहा था पर अंदर ही अंदर एक ताना छुपा हुआ था. It sounded like a compliment on the surface, but there was a snide remark tucked underneath. Fourth one, जब भी प्रमोशन की बात छिड़ती है वो किसी ना किसी बहाने मुझे ताना मार ही देता है. Whenever promotions come up, he finds a way to take a dig at me one way or another. Fifth one, वो सीधा सीधा कुछ नहीं कहता, बस ताना मार के बात को घुमा देता है. He never says anything outright, he just takes a shot and skirts around the point. Sixth one, बड़ी शांत आवाज में उसने मेरी परवरिश पर ही ताना मार दिया जैसे नॉर्मल बात हो. In a very calm tone, he made a snide remark about my upbringing like it was casual. Seventh, सीधा सीधा बोल दोगे तो कुछ घिस जाएगा, ताना मारना ज़रूरी है. Would it really kill you to say it outright or do you have to take a shot every time? Eighth one, उसकी हर बात में ताना छुपा होता है, बस बोलने का तरीका सॉफ्ट होता है. Every single thing he says carries a dig, just wrapped in a softer tone. Ninth, भाई ऐसी क्या नौबत आ गई कि क्लाइंट के सामने ही मुझे प्रिपरेशन के लिए ताना मार दिया, थोड़ा रुक जाते तो कुछ बिगड़ जाता. How did it get so bad that you felt the need to take a shot at my preparation in front of the client? A little restraint wouldn't have hurt. 10th one. नाम किसी का नहीं लेता, बस casually ताना मार के चल देता है. He never names anyone. He just casually throws shade and moves on. 11th one. बिना नाम लिए, बिना सीधा बोले, उसने मेरी काम के प्रति निष्ठा पर ही ताना मार दिया. Without naming me or saying it directly, he took a shot at my work ethic. And the 12th one. भाई ताना मारना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे. Leave it to you to take a dig at someone.